Good day everyone, I am Mr. Paulo Pesguera and today I will demonstrate to you how to tie-dye a t-shirts. And this is our materials. We have hanger, funnel, water, improvised mesh, plastic bottles, rubber bands, salt, vinegar, 2 t-shirts, dyes, tweezers or forceps, 1 pair of latex gloves, zip-locks, apron, electric kettle, plastic containers, spoon, bowl, and tray. First step, prepare and fold the t-shirts according to your design. Meron po ako ditong 100% cotton na t-shirt. And then, dapat meron po tayong smooth surface tulad nitong table na to. Para mas mabilis sa ating makapag-fold ng ating mga damit na gustong design. So, ang ating pong design ngayon ay Shibori design. Sa paggawa ng Shibori design, kinakailangan itong front side ng ating damit ay itaob natin sa table. And then, we need to fold it lengthwise. Next step, itong kabilang side ay tiklopin din natin lengthwise. And then, tiklopin din natin itong manggas. Lagay po natin siya backward. And do the same process. Next, kinakailangan i-fold po natin ito at least 3 inches or 4. Bahala po kayo kung gaano kalaki ang design na gusto nyo. And then, backward. Then, forward. So, ito na yung fold na gusto natin for our design. This is the Shibori design. For our next design, we have spiral design. So again, prepare 100% white t-shirt cotton. And then, iharap naman po natin itong t-shirt na to sa atin. So, naka-front po ito. Next, kailangan po natin ng forceps or the tweezers. And then, we need to locate the center of this t-shirt. So, in this case, we have here. And then, ipitin po natin. And then, twist. So, pwede na po natin tanggalin. And then, gamit po ang ating kamay, atin pong gagawing circle. So, dapat maging ganito. So, this is the spiral design. For our next step, we need to tie our t-shirts using rubber bands. For our Shibori design, we need 4 rubber bands. So, first step, Lagay po natin itong rubber band dito, horizontally po. Yan, dapat po ay pantay na pantay. Kasi dyan po magbabari yung ating magiging design mamaya. And then, vertical naman po ang paglalagay ng ating rubber band. So this is the Shibori design with rubber band. Next naman po, lalagyan natin ng rubber band itong ating spiral design. So pa-cross po muna ang paglalagay ng ating rubber band. Next, dito naman po sa kabila natin ilagay. Mag-cross din po tayo. Kailangan wala pong matitirang line. Dapat circle po siya. This is the spiral design with rubber band. For the third step, kailangan nating ibabad yung ating nagawang design dito sa ating pong water, vinegar, and salt solution. In making the solution, we need 1 liter of water. So, lagay lang natin yan sa bowl. At para mas kumapit ang ating dye, kailangan natin ng vinegar. And salt. Okay, yung salt po natin ay mga 2 tablespoon. And then, haluin lang po natin ang ating solution. Our next step, ibabad na po natin yung ating dalawang t-shirts na ginawa according to our design. So, babad lang po natin siya in 30 minutes. Now, let's prepare a dye solution. For our first step in preparing dye solution, we need to have hot water. And kapag kumukulo na ang ating water, pwede na natin siyang patayin. And palamagin natin siya para maging warm lamang ang ating tubig na gagamitin sa ating dyeing. And for our next step, we need to prepare our dye solution. Our materials needed: apron, pair of latex gloves, lukewarm water, plastic containers, tray, spoon, and dye powder. So maglagay tayo ng tikis-tikis ng color sa each plastic container. Next, we need to add at least 1 cup of water. And stir po muna natin. For our next step, we need to use our improvised mesh. So, ating pong papatiktikan yung ating mga damit na binabad sa ating vinegar and salt solution. Stay lang po muna natin dyan ng at least 10 minutes. Habang nag-aantay po tayo ng 10 minutes, So, isalin po muna natin yung brown na color dito sa ating bottle. And for our exciting part, magkukulay na po tayo ng ating damit. So, using our dye solutions. So, meron tayo ditong black, blue, and brown solution. For our Shibori design, so this is our Shibori pattern. Dip lang natin yung ating corner sa color blue. Tulad nito. Nandito naman sa kabilang side is color black. And then dito din, color black. And then, color black. And then, lagay po natin dito. Next, lagyan naman natin ng color brown itong mga gilid. And baliktarin po natin. For our spiral design, isalin po natin sa mga bottles yung mga natira nating color, which is black and blue, using our funnel. So this is our funnel. And for our spiral design, we need color blue. So ito po ay PX lang po natin. Dito sa labas. And color black dito po sa taas. At sa baba. So ganun din po ang gagawin natin sa likod. So same pattern lang po. So ito na po ang ating spiral design and Shibori design. And for our next step, we need to use zip-locks. Ito ang magpapanatili na moist ang ating ginawang design, ang ating tie-dye t-shirts. So ilagay lang natin dito sa ating zip-lock. So tigisa sila. And i-keep natin to ng 24 hours for brighter color. And after 24 hours of waiting, it's time for the big reveal. And for our next step, let's untie these tie-dye t-shirts. Tanggalin natin ang ating mga tie-dye t-shirts sa kanilang mga zip-locks. We have here 2 stainers. So tigisa dapat sila para hindi maghalo ang kanilang kulay. And let's untie first, ito po yung ating Shibori design. So, tanggalin lang natin yung ating rubber bands. And ito naman ang ating spiral design. Ganun din, tanggalin din natin ang ating rubber bands. Next step, balawan natin yung ating pong mga tie-dye t-shirts until yung ating pong water is runs out clearly. After po na mabanlawan natin, i-hanger na po natin yung ating pong mga t-shirts. These are our final products. This is the spiral design and the Shibori design in front view. This is the back view of our designs. The Shibori design and the spiral design.